Division.
One more time, RB, I got it.
Hey, tell Tino at that phone, we gon' race shit. Last son, bitch, I keep it coming, this can't clip.
Alright, y'all, so another vlog, another car meet. Obviously, that's all I really do over here in Arizona. But there's a car meet. I don't know. They said they have tacos, so we're gonna head over to that. And then it is 7:08 or 7:06. It starts at 7:30. It's 36 minutes away, so we're gonna be there a little late, but rather be late than really early. So I'll get some footage. Hopefully, it's not the same stuff as always. I know most of the same cars are always there, but nonetheless, if we can get some, good little races in, that'll be cool. If not, then whatever, and it'll just be the footage. So see y'all at the meet.
You like to do what
Alright, yo, what the fuck? So we just pulled up. This shit is fat as mother freaking heck, bro. So yeah, bro, we finna go check it out. There's a food stand. Y'all can't see it, bro. What the fuck is wrong with this camera, bro? Oh my god. So this shit all crazy. There's a car right there. But that's so it's fat. We finna get some footage for y'all. There's food trucks, all that. So we'll make sure to get it fat. They go all the way down. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I go all the way down. So we'll for sure get some footage for y'all. And yeah. God. Oh, my fault.
I got it.
God.
Dude, I can't get over this thing.
Oh, a fucking Lotus.
I really like the wheels.
This thing is crazy.
You know, it might be a Ford. It might be a Ford. You think it'd be a Duramax, but yeah.
God damn.
This thing is nice.
I thought that was a Lotus. God damn, bro. Oh, my fault. Nah, you good. Oh shit. My fucking Power Ranger.
I'm getting loads like that.
It's a Yonke, bro. That looks like you'll see a bunch of trucks like that. Like that red one? Bro, it's Street Senpais. The Street Senpais. Oni-chan.
There's people in the back.
They have their pipes.
I don't think they care, bro.
Pontiac DTO.
That's what I'm telling you to get, dude.
I had a Grand Prix that looked just like this one.
He's trying to say he wants a V8. Hold on, bro. Get a GTO. Or what's the other one? What it comes with the LSX? Is it GTR? Nah, it's the other one.
Grand Prix.
Yeah, Grand Prix. Yeah. That's it.
I don't know. Joey told me that if you he has some there.
I love your TT, man.
Hella heads.
My friend has this. Those orange and black racing championship.
They're quick. Uh-oh. Hey, cuz.
Bro, if my uncle's truck was here,
I'd rattle the windows on his shit.
Oh, hold on. I gotta get this, bro. I gotta get this.
I want that.
I got you.
Hey, y'all need one more? Yeah, get out.
Hell no. They cut power.
Yeah, dude. Do you have traction control on?
Yeah. Won't rain on her.
Nice little footage and stuff.
Nice little tan. What's it sounding like though, boy? Okay. I was looking at all that, brother. Them go out hella. That's hella funny.
Gotta get a good.
I'm gonna try to get on the side of it. Oh, get it, Eddie, get it.